Returning to the moon, the Artemis mission's pioneering journey into space. Immerse yourself in a world beyond our own. Meet Artemis, the United States' daring new vision for space exploration. Can you feel the sparks of curiosity? The Apollo missions kindled a flame, but Artemis will fan the fire. Bask in the radiance of the moon, our celestial neighbor. It's not just a silvery glow in our night sky. It is potential. Artemis is more than a mission, it's a celebration of human spirit. Extraordinary challenges call for extraordinary bravery. We're not just reaching for the moon, we're striving to establish a sustainable presence. The moon is our springboard to the cosmos. In our journey to the moon, Artemis will forge a new path, inspiring future generations to dare dream the impossible. Join us in this grand adventure. Together, let's embrace the mystery, the beauty, and the boundless potential of space. The Artemis era is here.